Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve cybersecurity with Apple, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To enhance your cybersecurity using Apple devices, start by updating your software regularly. Go to System Preferences on your Mac or Settings on your iPhone or iPad. Select Software Update and check for any available updates. Install any updates to ensure you have the latest security features. Next, enable two-factor authentication for your Apple ID. This adds an extra layer of security beyond just your password. Visit the Apple ID website, sign in, and find the security section. Follow the prompts to set up and verify your two-factor authentication. Now, take a look at your app permissions. On your device, navigate to Settings, then Privacy. Review the permissions each app has been granted. Revoke any unnecessary permissions to reduce data exposure. Consider using a password manager to keep your credentials secure. Apple offers iCloud Keychain, which securely stores your passwords. Enable it by going to Settings, then Passwords, and following the setup instructions. Next, activate the Find My feature on your devices. This helps locate your devices in case they are lost or stolen. Go to Settings, tap your name, then select Find My to enable it. Be mindful of public Wi-Fi connections. Use a VPN to encrypt your data when accessing the internet in public. Look for a reputable VPN service and install it on your device. Configure it to start automatically when connecting to unsecured networks. Finally, regularly back up your data. Use iCloud or an external hard drive to ensure your information is safe. Schedule automatic backups to maintain up-to-date copies of your files. Following these steps will significantly improve your cybersecurity on Apple devices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.